multiple choice questions for basic accounting. The first question is, a ledger is defined as a collection of letter A, all statement of financial position accounts, letter B, all income statement accounts, letter C, account titles, asset, liability, equity, income and expense accounts, and letter D, transactions. So when we say ledger, always put in mind that it is a collection of the account titles. Account titles of assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expense account. So here the correct answer is letter C. Account titles of assets, liability, equity, income, and expense account. So next question. Next question is, which of the following is a business event that is also considered a recordable transaction? So which of the following are those events that we have we should have a recordable transaction? Letter A, a company hires new employee. So when there is a new employee that will hire in a company, are you going to record the transaction or not? So no, it is not recordable. Next, a customer purchases merchandise. If there is a transaction of purchases, are we going to record it or not? Yes, it is a recordable transaction because there is an exchange of goods or assets. For example, if that customer will pay at cash, so we have to debit cash, then credit purchases. So it depends upon if the customer will pay cash or accounts payable. Letter C, a company sa letter B, ulitin ko ha, cash or sales. If cash yung pagbili ng customer, so we have to debit cash and credit sales. Okay, next, letter C, a company orders a product from a supplier. So if order pa lang, it is not a recordable transaction because there is no transaction yet na pwede nating i-record because hindi pa masasabi if the order is mabibigay ba ng company or not. Okay? Or mabibigay ng supplier sa company. Letter D, an employee sends a purchase requisition to the purchasing department. No, it is not a recordable transaction in terms of the journal entry. It's because it is just a purchase requisition. Next, so the correct answer is letter B. A customer purchases merchandise. Next question. Payment of insurance premiums in advance gives rise to letter D, unearned income, no. Letter B, accrued income, no. Letter C, accrued expense, no. And letter D, prepaid expense, yes. Because it is an advance payment when we say prepaid expense. So the correct answer is letter D. Payment of insurance premiums in advance gives rise to prepaid expense. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much and don't forget to share it with your loved ones. God bless.